the procedure was super pain-free, super quick. The doctor is super amazing, great personality, very genuine, patient, explained everything, didn't feel a thing. I am so looking forward to being able to rock my hoop earrings and my little studs, and you know, I love earrings, and not being able to wear them, it has been hard, so I can't wait. A lot of research, and he has phenomenal ratings. A lot of clients adore him, and so I wanted to be a part of that experience, and I'm so glad I did. Just do it. Just do it. There are no cons. You know, you'll feel more confident, and you know, just one less thing to worry about. And for me personally, just having to find clip-on earrings, which are not popular, and they would hurt my ear, and so it's just such a relief, and I can't wait to get it re-pierced. I'm excited.